Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day, and today I want to share with you in a short video how to properly install your RetraStrap. It's very easy to do. Let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see here, my suitcase is at full length. What you're going to do is turn it outward like this facing you, so this handle, which is on the outward side, is now facing on the inward side. And most people carry their luggage with their right hand, so the strap needs to be on this side of the handle. Now the RetraStrap here needs to go facing inward, and then you'll have this rubberized piece here. So what you're going to do is just strap it on like this, loop it into the plastic piece, and then tighten it up, and then you are good to go. So again, this is inward, and you could see on my suitcase how that's inward like that. Now, in this area here, you want to make sure that this D-loop is upward, and that's why you know it's with the RetraStrap logo facing in. And if you pull from the Velcro, there is this latch here, and what that does, allows you to adjust how much room you need, because what you want to do is make sure you're at arm's length when you're walking, and so you can adjust the strap accordingly. So once you find your correct height, and even if it's excess amount, what you can do is pull it out, connect it to the Velcro, and then just flip that over, and then close that up, and then you could use it. For me, obviously, being about 6 feet, I can go almost the full amount out, and then I'm going to go a little bit longer and lock that in place, and I should, there we go. All right, I think I got it there, and now you are good to go. So you could see this is almost at arm's length. This piece here is about my hip, and now you could walk and you're free to go. So if you need a review how to do this again, replay the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy the RetraStrap. Have a great day. Easy traveling.